Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see the details about ceiling fan which we are using daily in our home. Normally the power consumption of ceiling fan varies from 60 watts to 80 watts. In ceiling fan, single phase induction motor is used. We all noticed one capacitor which is placed outside the ceiling fan. So it should be belong to any one category of single phase induction motor which uses capacitor. Three types of single phase capacitor based motors are available. One is capacitor run motor, second one is capacitor start motor, and third one is capacitor start capacitor run induction motor. Do you have any idea? Yes, it belongs to capacitor run induction motor. In single phase capacitor run induction motor, two windings are there. One is main winding and another one is starting winding. In series with the starting winding, a capacitor is connected to produce 90-degree phase shift. The purpose is to increase the starting torque of the induction motor. If you see the construction in ceiling fan, rotor is placed outside and stator is placed inside. Whereas in the case of same type of single phase capacitor run induction motor as well as other type of induction motor, the rotor is always inside and stator is always outside. This is the main difference. Let us see the reason for which the rotor is placed outside in ceiling fan. This is the picture which shows the cross-sectional view of ceiling fan. In this picture, we can clearly notice rotor, stator as well as bearing. In stator, two windings are there. The outer winding is main winding and the winding placed inner is auxiliary winding. The purpose of placing the rotor at outer side was due to the reduction of mechanical component requirement. If we place rotor inside means we need more mechanical components that will lead to increase in size of the fan as well as cost of the fan. To reduce that, rotor was placed outside and stator was placed inside. So everyone, you should keep in your mind that we have to draw two circles. One is stator and another one is rotor. For that, in ceiling fan, the outer part will be a rotor and the inner circle will be a stator. For remaining application, outer part, that is outer circle, will be the stator and inner circle will be the rotor. This picture shows different types of ceiling fan. The first shown is regular ceiling fan, which is normal ceiling fan which consume power greater than 75 watts. If you see energy efficient ceiling fan, the power consumption is less than 50 watts. That is because of using a good quality core and more number of copper conductors. If we are using good quality of cores, then iron loss will be reduced. If we use more amount of copper means I square R loss will be reduced, but cost will be higher. That's why most of us not preferring energy efficient ceiling fan. Whereas in the case of super energy efficient ceiling fan, they are using BLDC motor for this application. By that, they are reducing power to less than 35 watts. Thank you.